So I'm not even exaggerating, but this coffee is the best.
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another day in my life video. And then I'm really sorry I missed the last episode because I was busy with work and stuff. Hashtag London life. Anyways, welcome to the new episode of Floydelic. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs. I start my day with a good cup of coffee, and yeah, today there's nothing much to do. Just come along with my day of my life. I'll see you in the next shot. So guys, I'm out of the house now. I'm going to the gym. I was just capping when I said I woke up like really early. It's pretty late, it's afternoon. It's nearly 3 o'clock. So we're gonna go hit the gym for an hour, and then I gotta buy some stuff which I don't need. Anyways, let's go. I'll see you in the next shot. Okay, that was intense. So I'm just done with my workout now. I'm gonna go have a shower. And we're gonna rant about this fucking stupid thing, GoPro. We're gonna rant about it today. Okay, let's go. Let's get a shower first, yeah? So this video was completely different video. It was like, you know, day in my life, like the other one, and it was all fun. But then what happened was, like, this is the main problem with GoPro, right? I was like, you know, getting a cool shot of like me working out, and then this happened.
I was recording a video. Look, it's lagging now. GoPro, this is what I'm talking about. Fix up. Fuck's sake, GoPro.
After 10 minutes, this happened.
You see, this is another one. This is the second time it's lagging. Look, GoPro. This is the second time it's you guys are lagging on me. Second time, and I was recording my video. What the fuck, GoPro? Come on, fix up. Yeah, you're making me swear at my videos, which my mom watches as well. So this is the second time you guys are lagging me. Look, if I'm exaggerating it, first time was like just like 10 minutes ago, and this is the second time. For fuck's sake, GoPro.
Hating on this device. This is a very good device. It's a very rugged. You can get away with going into places, and like without getting worried, I can drop this a couple of times from certain heights and be very worry free. But the problem with this device is it's software. Sometimes I put this in a place, I just hit the record and just do my thing, and when I come back, it's lagging. It's not the first time it's happening. I'm not hating it. GoPro is a very good product, but this might, with this, you know, with software thing and software issue, might make me shift over to
the other action cameras, which is Insta360 or whatever it is. A 360 camera is a very good. The software thing is very good in there. So yeah, so GoPro, you just need to fix it. Yeah, fix this shit, or else your product is great. So these is the thing I don't like about GoPro. GoPro, fix up. Anyways, I'll see you in the next episode. Hope you guys are doing well. Dasai is coming, Dasai vlog is coming, and another amazing vlog is coming. Just stay tuned. Till then, be safe, keep smiling. Floydelic signing out. Peace.